Looking for somewhere to exercise this afternoon? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of KELLER Williams, and here's a trail you just might want to consider. The Wiggins Trolley Track is a trail that's approximately 6 miles long and one of the most popular trails that goes through Kansas City, Missouri, located in the highest density residential areas, experiencing a little urban environment as well as business. Now this trail actually runs along the formal alignment of the Kansas City's last streetcar that was known as the Country Club route or the Club line, which has ceased service since 1957. Most of this trail has been converted into a paved or crushed limestone, and it's really available for walking, running, or biking. There's even several places along the route that have bikes you can rent. The north end actually connects directly to Brush Creek Trail, so that adds a little extra adventure if you're looking for a longer ride or run. Now make sure you go by the restored streetcar station at the East 54th and Brookside Boulevard for a little bit of touch of this trail's history. Well, I hope you've enjoyed another one of our Kansas City adventures. Make sure to comment below on a place you think we should check out, as well as subscribe to catch our next exploration of Kansas City. Whether you're looking for home questions on neighborhood areas or another Kansas City adventure, feel free to text us anytime. The Walton Home Team with KELLER Williams. Cheers!